guys, welcome to World in Our Hands, and I am Mahati, and today we will be seeing the chapter Crop Production and Management for Class 8. And sorry for this glitch over here. And from now, we will be seeing some education videos in our channel, which is NCERT based for Class 6, Class 7, and Class 8. So let's get started. So now let us begin with the basic concept of this particular chapter. So if you're going for a long travel, let's take you're going for a long travel and gradually the petrol or the fuel gets decreased, right? So you again put fuel to make the car run. So a car will survive with fuel, and we humans survive with food, and food here is acting as a fuel for the human survival. So exactly where do we get food from? Let's think a bit. And it is through agriculture. So when you say agriculture, you know that farmers do something like farming only, something the farmers do. But now let us see the exact definition of agriculture. Agriculture is the process of cultivating or growing crops and doing animal husbandry in a large scale. See, all you have to understand is cultivating or growing crops, animal husbandry in a large scale. So, cultivating or growing crops here, many people think that if we plant in your garden, it's not agriculture. You do it in a large scale. Here, you do it in a large scale. So, you don't do it in a large scale when you do it in a garden. So, there is difference between gardening and agriculture, right? And also, if you have a pet, then it is not animal husbandry. Again, that is also did in a large scale, and you will gain goods from it like milk and wool. Okay, so let us go detail into this agricultural processes. So agriculture have 7 steps. Okay, so agricultural practices have 7 steps, and they are preparation of soil, sowing, addition of nutrients, irrigation, removal of weeds, harvesting, and storage. So these are all the 7 agricultural steps, and in this video we will be seeing only preparation of soil. Now, preparation of soil again consists of 2 particular steps. Okay, they are plowing and leveling. Okay, so plowing means the process of turning soil of equal spread of nutrients. So for example, I have a land here. Okay, so nutrients is present only in this particular area. So if I grow my crops here, then what will happen? My crops won't grow properly. So to ensure that nutrients is present everywhere equally, all we do is you just turn the soil, and turning means digging it and spreading it equally is called as plowing. Here leveling means, here again I have a land, and over here I have rock clumps and all. Then how will a plant grow there? So that you break them down and level the soil and make the surface equal. So that is called leveling. So for this we will be having some methods of doing. So here we having 2 types of methods, and they are traditional method and modern method. In traditional method we have 2 kinds of thing. One thing is a man will do. This is done manually, and here it is done by the cattles. Okay, so cattles are mostly means cow. Okay, so what they will do here is they'll tie this to a cow, and the cow will be made to walk through the land, so that this particular tool goes inside the soil and turns the soil. Here when man does this, what the man does is he turns the soil by digging the soil and equaling it. And here the modern method is done by a tractor or a cultivator. So nowadays you see only tractors running around, because they do it very beautiful than this two implements, right? So why is it very better than these traditional methods? Is they have some disadvantages, and that are time consuming and labor cost. Time consuming here means when you do it with tractor, you can do it very faster, but when you do it hoe, it will take a more and more time. And if you do it with plow, the cow needs to walk, and sometimes it won't cooperate with you, so that what happens is it takes a lot of time. And here labor cost, again, if you have a very big land, with hoe it's very hard to do. And if you want to do only with hoe, then you need a lot of labors, okay, and you need to pay them. You'll get labor cost. And also when you do it with plow, you need to buy some cattle, so that is again a labor cost, considered as labor cost. Then there are not any things like these, right? Okay, so let's wind up with this preparation of soil. And thank you for watching. We will be coming up with next parts of this particular chapter very soon. And please subscribe the channel and like the video to get the next part very soon. Thank you.